Wagwan guys, this is Steven the Jamaican patwahboss and welcome again to the Jamaican Patwa Corner where we teach you everything about Jamaica. Now in this video we'll be looking at a 5-star Jamaican dish and how it is prepared. So don't move, we're soon forward. So guys, the 5-star menu that we'll be taking a look at is French fried tin mackerel. And I know many of you may be saying fried up tin mackerel, but no, I just said French fried tin mackerel. So I came across a very creative Jamaican YouTuber by the name of Chenel, and I saw her did something with the tin mackerel that I've never seen done before, which brought it from a no-star meal to a 5-star meal. Tin mackerel or canned mackerel is a low-budget meal in Jamaica and is categorized by most persons as poor people food, or in other words, a meal for the poor. The tin mackerel is also very accessible and can be found in every neighborhood corner shop or supermarket. In other words, it is everywhere. So the tin mackerel is usually prepared with flour dumplings or white rice. But guys, a key thing to note is not all Jamaicans eat tin mackerel. But for those of us who do, we have some very descriptive names by which we address the tin mackerel. Some of these names are: number 1, dirty girl. Don't ask me why, because I'm yet to find out why Jamaicans call the tin mackerel dirty girl. But just imagine you go to the shop and, want to order tin mackerel. Serve!
Me coming. What you want, sir?
Sell me one dirty girl.
You mean one tin mackerel, sir?
Yeah. Tin mackerel me a talk, man. Yeah, man, tin mackerel. Number 2, skettle. Like, I'm still yet to figure out, why. If you know why, just leave a comment below why we call it tin mackerel skettle, because I'm clueless. Number 3, real ragamuffin. Raga, just tell the people them what the other name for the tin mackerel. Nobody never ask your name. Sorry, patwahboss. Yeah, name Ghetto Steaks. We're out there represent for the real ghetto youths. Number 4, and I just want to big up the patwahboss, and I tell you to just subscribe. And Rasta, I no time for that. Just tell the people them what the other. Bridget, no hard for deal with someone. Just tell the people them the other name for the tin mackerel, now, man. Sorry, Aya, sorry. Yeah, man. So it name Tin Boom, like how we boom down Babylon. Number 5, flash out. So now you know a little about tin mackerel and the different names it has. Now we're going to jump straight into Chenel's video where she's explaining how to prepare the French fried tin mackerel.
Hello everyone, I am Chenel, and for today's video we will be making French fried mackerel. Yes, French fried mackerel with cheesy sauce. Stay tuned.
I like her intro.
So guys, we are back in the kitchen and now I'm just going to show you the products that I will be using. First, you will need Grace Premium Mackerel. The mackerel that you need to do the French fry mackerel is the premium mackerel in brine. You have to make sure that it's in brine.
Alright, so that's a premium mackerel, and that's the one in brine. This, I think you can get this on Amazon. Like if you're overseas and you want to use the Grace one, I think you can get it on Amazon. But it's the premium one, the one that is in brine. So not the one in the sauce.
So I have that. You will need an all-purpose seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, some vegetable oil, an onion, some garlic,
seasoning, alright,
2 eggs, and also evaporating milk for the cheesy sauce. And you will definitely need cheese. The type of cheese that I'm using is cheddar jack cheese. Some all-purpose flour, a whisk.
I like how she's doing her presentation.
And a spatula. And you will need a knife also. So we have opened our tin. This is the mackerel in brine. We're just going to crack the egg right now. So we have our egg. Now I'm just going to add the all-purpose seasoning into the flour.
Yeah, but of course, you know that if if you're doing like French fried tin mackerel for a lot of persons, then maybe you don't want more than 2 eggs. Yeah, so all-purpose seasoning now.
We are going to add 2 pinches of salt. So we're just going to give this a mixture. This is a mixture of all-purpose
really professional,
salt.
using her gloves and everything.
I have that there.
I like this.
Now I'm just going to whisk the egg that I have. I'm just going to add the mackerel with this mixture into the eggs, then back into the flour, then back into the eggs, then into the flour.
Yeah, so just as how you'd French fried chicken. Nice. So into the egg. Alright, so remember, into the egg, then into the flour, and then into the egg again. Alright?
So these are the flour coated mackerel. I am just going to now heat up the pot for about a minute. So I will be back when the pot is heated up. So guys, we are back, and now we're just going to add the oil to the pot. I am using vegetable oil. So I'm just going to add it.
So I and I would have used the coconut oil right there, so you see me? Rasta boy, you're not even so supposed to and tin mackerel. A tin boom name on ya, tin boom. Watch it from here so you can't even chat.
When you're French frying, you use a lot of oil, so I will be deep frying.
Wait, shall I go finish the bottle?
So what you can do to check if the temperature is hot and ready, I am just going to use a wooden spoon to just test the oil and see if the temperature is ready. So how will you know it? If it's hot, you will see bubbles start.
Hold on. Guys. I didn't know that. Like, if you knew that, I didn't know that. I always have the wooden spoon, but I really didn't know what was the purpose of the handle. Well, I learned something. If you learned something, just stop the video right now and just comment and said, I learned something. All right? So, yeah, as I didn't know that.
To form around it. So as you can see, the temperature is hot. So I'm just going to add the mackerel to the flame. So I've just added one. So I've added my mackerel to the pot. You want to ensure that each side is golden brown. So I'm just going to let this
You hear that? It's golden brown. She's actually doing it, guys. She's doing it. Yeah, patwahboss. I eat, man. She a do it, man. She take the get out of the steaks. Me nah lie, my youth. Golden brown.
So now guys, I'm just going to take them out and turn off the stove.
This is so creative, guys. Like,
So guys, this is the French fried mackerel. Now I am just going to start making the cheesy sauce for the mackerel. So now we're going to start the cheesy sauce. You want to start on low flame. So I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. That will do it. I'm going to add half of this garlic here.
I'm not sure if I use garlic because I really don't like garlic that much. Like, yeah, when you're cooking with it and stuff, like it's different. But for sickness, like I usually get like garlic with honey, and I'm telling you, because of that, I kind of have a certain resentment for the garlic. But yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see what she's doing.
I'm going to add the onion now. Half of this onion.
She's adding the onion as well.
I'm going to give it a stir. So now I'm just going to add the evaporating milk. I'm going to whisk the evaporating milk. I'm now going to add the cheddar cheese. I'm going to add half of this cheddar cheese.
Toss it up. Yeah. Guys, I gotta try this. I just gotta try this. If you like trying new foods like me, this is definitely a menu to try. Even if you're Jamaican, like I can guarantee that most of us haven't seen this menu before.
I'm just now going to add more cheese.
This looks delicious.
So guys, this is the finishing look for the French fried mackerel with the cheesy sauce.
Again, I like her presentation, you know, because you know she have her sauce and her French fried tin mackerel. And yeah, I mean, this is really good, really good. This is really good, guys.
So right now I'm just going to give it a taste, but first you guys have to try it first.
Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Now look at this. Now we can now eat tin mackerel with knife and fork. Think about that. We can eat tin mackerel with knife and fork, guys. This is really amazing. Tin mackerel gone a lead, a road we're gone.
This is for you guys. Tell me how it tastes.
Well, I would have to try it and then let you know, but...
It tastes good? Alright, it's my turn now.
It's good, right? Well, guys, there you have it. Like, that is French fried tin mackerel with cheesy sauce. I was really impressed by this menu, and like tin mackerel, as would I say, gonna lead now. And this is the reason why I said that she took this from a no-star meal and turned it into a 5-star meal, because she added her sauce to it and, you know, that little golden brown look. Who would ever thought that you would ever French fry tin mackerel. Well, she did it and it was well done. Wow, guys, that presentation was incredible. Again, as I said, she took a meal that had no star and gave it a 5-star. Again, I just want to thank Chenel for allowing me to do a review on her video. And guys, please go ahead and check out her YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. It's Keeping Up with Chenel. So check out her channel and subscribe as well. Also, I want to give shoutouts to the first 5 persons that commented on our last video, which is how to use the famous Jamaican word Irie. Now, these persons are number 1, Jolie Carswell, and this person commented saying the first. Yeah, you are the first person to comment. Big up yourself. Number 2, we have Donna Felicity, and this person said need lovely. Big up yourself. Number 3, we have Findy John Baptiste. Forgive me if I mispronounced it. And this person said, I like the Jamaican Patriot. Big up yourself, man. Number 4, we have Antoinette Eard. And this person said, if you knew what he was going to say, why you step in it? Keep watching, my friend. Number 5, we have Titania Williams. And this person said, excellent. Keep it up with 200. Big up yourself. So guys, if you want to get a shout out in my future videos, be one of the first 5 persons to comment on this video so you can get a shout out in the next video. Okay guys, so I want to thank everyone for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and be the first to leave a comment in the section below. Now all of us would like to tell everyone Happy New Year! How are you this time, my boy? I pack up in a so I can see what I go on. Yo, put the camera in a bag over there. Cut that. Serve! Say my dirty girl. Yep. Oh God. Sorry, Aya, sorry. Yeah man, so it name Tin Boom, like how we boom down Babylon.